Hey, John Stevenson here, the Guaranteed Retirement Guy. And today I want to talk to you about a QLAC. What is a QLAC exactly? Well, it stands for Qualified Longevity Annuity Contract. Okay, so basically it needs to be done with a qualified account, maybe an IRA, a traditional IRA. Roth IRAs are exempt because they don't have to have RMDs, whereas your traditional IRA does have to have an RMD. So typically what you can do with a QLAC, what people do is maybe you're nearing retirement, and usually you're 65 years old or older, and you're getting close to that RMD age. And maybe you're looking at your account and you're realizing that you're going to have to take your RMDs, and maybe you don't need to, okay? But you want to kind of conserve some of your portfolio and protect it against taxes. And maybe that RMD that you are being forced to take out, maybe that will even increase your current tax bracket, making you pay more in taxes. So a QLAC is simply the process of taking some money from a qualified account and rolling it over to an annuity inside of another IRA that is able to be deferred past the age of RMDs, which means that money is not subject to RMDs anymore. Okay, now right now the limit is up to $200,000, and really this is just the purpose of guaranteed income. So usually people are doing this because they want income more in their later years than right now, and that's really all they're doing it for. The main purpose is just to have guaranteed lifetime income. And so maybe you're turning 73 and you're like, I don't want to pay RMDs on all of this. So I'm going to transfer as much as I can out, which right now the limit is $200,000. So you might transfer that out into a QLAC, into an IRA. So a QLAC is just a deferred annuity. That's all it is. So it's a deferred annuity, and maybe you'll defer the income until age 85. So at age 85, you know that you want to bump in your income and you want that for life. And that is why a QLAC is beneficial, because now you're able to defer this for maybe another 12 years. Maybe your RMD age is at 73. And so you want to defer it for another 12 years till age 85. And then at that point, you start taking guaranteed income from your QLAC that you've been able to defer your RMD taxes on for that amount. So this is a pretty nice opportunity for seniors who don't need the money now, but want it later for guaranteed income. And they want to defer some of that tax, that RMD, to a later time. And this is one of the best ways to do this is to be able to put this into another account, purchase a QLAC annuity that's going to give you guaranteed income. Let's say at age 85, it's going to be there, and you were able to, at the same time, take away some of those RMDs that you would have been subject to had you not done the transfer. Okay. So if you want to kind of go into specifics, there are only certain companies that can do QLACs. Okay. So it just depends on what your goals are, and of course, what the income payouts are for these particular QLACs at these particular companies. So we can go over that. If that's something that you want to go over, schedule a call with me. There is a link below this video, and you can get right into my calendar. We can kind of chat and see kind of exactly what you're looking for, if you need income right now, or maybe you need income later on. And we'll see if it makes sense for you. Sometimes it doesn't make sense. But just depending on your goals and your income needs right now, and especially RMDs, if that's something that's going to be a concern to you, it might make sense to take a look at it. Now, again, I know this is limited, so it's not a huge portion that you can throw over there. If you got $1 million in your portfolio, you can only really push $200,000 over into this QLAC, which, is great for giving you kind of higher income later on. So anyways, something to think about. Maybe you want to take a portion of that and convert it to a Roth, while at the same time take the other portion and convert it to a QLAC. That's always an option as well. So, all right. If you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, book a call and we'll chat. So look forward to answering your questions at that time, and we'll see you in the next video.